name's Kendra Aris, and I am going to do a quick video today to show you the basics of foundation. I will be using LimeLife by Alcone products in this video. So whoever sent this video really thought you would get something out of learning a little bit more about foundation. Give them a shout. If there's something that you see in here that you just can't live without. As a makeup artist for about the last 20 years, I have never used better products in my kit for absolutely every project that I do, and I love, love, love teaching people about it. My mission really is to help women feel beautiful in their skin, no matter what their goals are, and so I hope I'm able to fulfill a little bit of that for you. Start out with our Botanical foundation. So this is my personal Botanical foundation palette. It's got some good love. It's about 4 months old. I've got another few months to use it. I'm gonna show you a few different ways to use it. I'm gonna start with my favorite way, and this is our Blenderful sponge. And it's just barely damp. So I got it wet, wrung it out really good, and then I took a towel and just like gave it a good squeeze. Love, 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 love about the Blenderful sponge is that it kind of gives you the texture of skin, and it's kind of foolproof. I love things that are foolproof, don't you? What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna twist it into my foundation. I'm gonna have it on there like that, and I'm just going to use a pressing technique to kind of stamp the foundation on my skin. Sometimes I'll do a kind of a press and roll. And with this sponge, so that there's really nothing to it. Get a good press in there. Minimizes the looks of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The wax-based formula sits on top of your skin. It never settles, so you get nice, even coverage, and it's buildable. So if you decide you want more coverage, you can absolutely get more coverage. I always like to take this and blend it down my neck. What a difference, huh? This is another little tool that I love. This is called a buffer brush. So again, you just go right into your foundation. Get as much on there as you want. You buff that right into your skin in little circular motion. You have textured skin, which could mean like acne scarring, or some of us just have naturally textured skin. This is going to give you really nice coverage. Get into all those fine lines, crevices, wrinkles, and really blend those out and help them not to be quite as noticeable. So you can really see you get beautiful coverage there with very little effort. And you can see the difference there. Isn't that insanity? This is why I love this foundation. One more quick way to apply this foundation with a foundation brush. I will say this way is a little less foolproof, but it's really good for full coverage. So what I recommend when you're using this type of foundation brush is to do small little strokes with the brush and blend as you go, instead of trying to do this number, which is just going to give you, it could look streaky. The nice thing about these brushes is it's very thin, so you can kind of go around different things, different areas, and get the coverage that you're looking for. As a makeup artist, we need to be sure that our makeup is going to work on all skin types and with all skin conditions. It's not going to break our clients out, and that we can all but guarantee there won't be any kind of reaction. Obviously, anybody could have a reaction to anything at any time, but when we use non-comedogenic and hyperallergenic products that professional makeup artists can trust, that's really helpful to make sure our jobs are done right. Isn't that an amazing difference that makes? I absolutely love our Botanical foundation. After you apply the foundation, the last step is to set it with a setting powder. And my setting powder is getting sad. You can see I've hit the pan a while ago. I refuse to replace it because it's still good product here. I put the setting powder on an angled brush like this, and then I simply sweep it over. What this is going to do is it's going to set your foundation in place. Make this foundation as heavy or as light coverage as you want. And then after you have it exactly how you want it, you set it with the setting powder. The drier your skin is, the less powder you're probably gonna wanna use. But then after we add a little sweep of blush, maybe even a little bronzer, just to warm my cheeks up a little bit. Your skin looks like skin. It doesn't look like you're overly made up or cakey, and you can go confidently throughout your day. So I hope that gives you some great tips. If you have any questions, please, please, please chat with the beauty guide that sent you this video. See how she can help you get the perfect match and the perfect color. And get this in your makeup bag today. See you later.